everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on a Saturday, April the 8th, and tonight we are breaking MLB products. This here is a 2-box break from a Hit Parade. It is one of the autographed baseballs from Series 1. That is box 129 of 150. It is also one of the autographed jerseys from Series 5. That would be box 55 of 100. Did random team sales. You can see just to the right here, we have already randomized teams and customers. We then alphabetized the customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. We also blew the list up so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them some time to trade. Doesn't look like we had anything going, a couple offers, but nothing really happened. So we are going to pop these babies and then move right on into NFL after. Pull some nice stuff from here. I haven't had any huge booms yet, but it's been a nice, solid product. Let us hope we get something nice here. I have not a clue who that is, fellas. Joel Zumya. Joel Zumya. That is your SIG there, folks. That there is the SIG on that baby. But it is a Joel Zumya. I have no idea. I am going to need some help with that, guys. Ew, man, I have no idea, guys. Your guess is as good as mine. I tell you all the time, I know nothing about MLB, but from what I am seeing, it is a Detroit Tigers player. So that is actually going to be a Detroit Don hit. He spelled his name wrong. Well, it ain't my fault. All right, here it is. That is the Detroit Don hit. All right, guys. Yeah, I have, like I said, he spelled his name wrong. It ain't my fault. It's like I put the sticker in there. Here we go, folks. Pop. I'll pull a lot of this team too, guys. Actually, I think it's the same, not the same jersey, but might be the same player. Yes, sir. That is a Lawrie. It is signed on jersey, y'all. It is a Majestic, but that is going to be a Blue Jays jersey, guys. Pull a lot of Blue Jays out of these sets as well. It's got the awesome Blue Jay and such out of there. It is a Majestic, and I'm going to flip it over real quick after I get it refolded. 1 second. Just show you it's signed on jersey, folks. It is Brett Lawrie. But that is going to be a Toronto hit, folks. That one there is a Toronto hit, obviously. So who has... Another Detroit. Wow. Yep, that is a back-to-back hit, guys. We have been getting a lot of back-to-back hits. At least it was a separate team, guys, this time. Yes, so, but Detroit Don with the back-to-back hit. There you go, folks. Join us at Breakers.tv 7 nights a week, where you'll find me or the great guests. We break in all forms of memorabilia starting about 8 to 8:30 Central. We'd appreciate a click on the follow button while there, and have a great day.